In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your name in Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to menu. Tap at that gear to open up settings. After that, we need to go to Meta Account Center. So just tap where it says See More in Account Center. Go to Profiles. Tap at your Facebook profile. And then tap at Name. After that, we'll be taken to that page where we can easily change our first name, middle name, and last name. Once we've done with that, all we have to do is just tap at that button. When you tap on it, you will be prompted to enter your Facebook account password to save the changes. Just keep in mind that if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days.